a very complicated set from sports and games where matches played by 6 matches are played between China and Japan. Scores of Japan is given 1, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4 in those 6 matches. China is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5 on those 6 matches. And they can occur in any possible order. One match is draw. One match ended in draw. 3 won by Japan. 3. And remaining by China, obviously. So Japan won 3, China won 2, 1 match draw. If a team scored, very important, odd number of goals, then it did not win. So any matches with 0, score 1 or score 5 or score 3, though is not there in option. The team cannot win that matches. Either it is ended up in a loss or in a draw. So if I draw some possibilities, like for Japan, what are the 6 scores? 1, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. What we can predict out? 1, 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. First of all, the match is 3 matches won by Japan, and any match odd goal scored cannot be won. So these 3 are definite win for Japan, and they are loss or draw, loss or draw, loss or draw. Next. One, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5. One thing for sure, match in which China scored 6 is definitely a win. Because Japan 6 is win. So there cannot be a 6-6 score. Match 0 must be a loss. There is no ambiguity at all. And 1 and 5, loss or draw, loss or draw. Two and 4, loss or win, loss or win. Now you might be thinking, why 4 cannot be a possibility of draw? Because in case of Japan, 4 matches scored in which Japan scored 4 is definitely a win. So for China, 4 cannot be a draw, either win or loss. Same goes for score of 2. Okay, so that is right now what we are having. Let us move to the problem. First problem. So if Japan won by scoring 4 goals in a match, how many goals did China score? What are the possibility of draw matches? Draw matches score can be 5-5 or 1-1. So if I assume this is a situation, 5-5 is the draw match. So where Japan scored 4, same match, China can score 1 and lose the match. Because 1-1 is not the draw match. Or China can score 2 and lose the match. And in that case, in this match will give the 1 score. Or China can score 0 also to lose the match. So for 4, all of them are possible. if I place 5-5 in the draw. All four can be possible. I can make this score 4-0, 1 win for Japan, and 2-1 second win for Japan, and 6-5 third win for Japan. Sorry, 6-5 Tony. Another loss will be 6-2. 4-1 a win for Japan. 2-0 win for Japan. And 6-2 win for Japan. Or 4-2 win for Japan. 2-0 win for Japan. 6-1 win for Japan. So with for all four scores are possible. Okay. Next. If one of the match, both the teams scored 5 goals. That means 5-5 is the draw. Then China won the 2 matches by. Winning score of 2 matches of China is 1 is so definitely 6. So can it be 6-1 for China? I can't see any issue. Another is 2-1. See, funda is simple. This one match went for draw. This match went for draw. So these two are loss for Japan. So scores are definitely 1. Japan score on those matches are definitely 1. China score can be 6-2. China score can be 6-4 also. Not 4-2, because with 6 match scored by China, the match where China scored 6 goals, China must win. So it can be 6-1, 2-1, it can be 6-1, 4-1. When he is winning 2-1, he is losing 4 match. When he is winning 4-1, he is losing match in which China scored. So option D. Next problem. If both the teams scored 1 goal in each of the matches, so now 1-1 is the winning, say, a draw match. Score of the draw match is no longer 5-5, it is rather 1-1. Then Japan won the series by Japan's winning series. So 6-4 and 2 other scores. China scored 1 in only 1 match, and that went for draw. So in those matches, of winning of Japan matches, China score can never be 1. So these 2 options are anyhow ruled out. So obviously option B left. Obviously option B left. Next problem. Bit lengthy. Okay, we can actually approach can take data from the previous case. See, when there is a 5-5 draw, we have already got 3 situations. 5-5 draw, 3 winning matches for Japan. What about the winning matches of China there? For Japan, we have 3 winning situations. For China, winning matches are by scoring. 5-5 is a draw. 0 is gone, 1 is gone, 2 is gone, 0, 1, 2 gone. 4 and 6. Yeah, 4 and 6. It's China is scoring 6. 5-5 is a draw. Japan scoring 1. China, Japan. China, Japan. And China scoring 4. Again, Japan scoring 1. So here we are getting exactly 3 situations. Can we get more? Can we get more? Well, Yes, we can with 5-5 draw. Look at this situation. What if I swap this to 4-0 and instead of 2-1, no, I cannot make it. I cannot swap this to. I cannot swap this and it will become a draw. But with 4-1, can I swap? No. But with 2-0, can I swap? Yes. These two can be swapped. So actually, we are getting 4 cases here. Actually, we are getting 4 cases here. And what if in the 3 winning matches of Japan, if we place a score of China being 4? Okay, yeah. I'm taking a situation. Japan 4, China 2. Japan 6, China 4. Japan 2, China 0. China win. Japan 6, China 1. Japan 2, China 1. Another possibility. Interesting fact. Again, we can swap this 2. So 2 more cases here. Already 6 cases we are getting with 5-5 draws. So with 1-1 draw, we'll get at least 1 more case, which we have already discussed. So overall, counting must be more than 6. Option D. Clear?